Okay, so after a whole bunch of years around the sun, we learned a bunch of things about our vehicles, some of which nobody gets to hear about. So I wanted to talk to you about some other things you could do to your trucks and cars, because they all have the same or similar issues. Okay, so an issue with doors and vehicles also is they have weep holes to let the water out. So your outside of your door does not stop water. The water goes through this window track, right through your door, and then comes through these holes here. All right, so there's only two, so they can fill up and stink. So watch a video and check out, see how you can get that taken care of. Our trucks have some issues and they smell sometimes. Well, depending on where you park, your truck will let some water into the door. Well, okay, all trucks let water into the door, and these little holes are opened there so that the water gets out. If you don't keep these clear, you'll get some funky smells, and everybody complains, oh, this manufacturer, our door controls go bad, or stuff rusts out, so our handles don't work so well, and our locks don't work. Well, honestly, technically it's your fault. If you don't clear out these weep holes, the truck's gonna have issues. And if you make sure, you might have to do some things like run some water, use some kind of pick, some kind of thin metal, some kind of braided wire, clean it out, make sure the water flows through easily, and you'll get rid of smells, and you'll ensure that these switches work well.